You're right, you're happy I'm leaving.
Well, I don't know, I'm just freaking crazy, but okay.
Lahat ng galaw ko doon is Bibiyanan yung naalala ko.
Good morning, Philippines!
We are here, guys. Nilagay ko lang yung mga gamit sa sasakyan. May package na naman si Tammy. Ano kaya to? I think ito yung wallet. Ito, itapon ko sana ito. Ito siya. Pero sabi ko, ayaw kong itapon. Ang gagawin ko na lang is lagyan ko ng soil. Lagyan ko ng soil. And then, dito ko ilagay yung ano ng pusa. Yung grass nila. Kasi para lumalaki talaga. And,
Yeah.
you get your package. The guy gave it to me right there.
Yeah, he was looking for a house. He saw me in front.
Huh?
I saw me in front. I asked me where 117 is. I'm interested in. They said they'll work. Supposedly for my car. So we'll see.
Is that for the wheels?
This goes inside the tire.
Inside the tire to do what?
It's a sensor. The Bluetooth tells the car what the pressure is low.
So,
When it says a flat tire, this is what's telling it.
okay, so where are you gonna put it?
When I get new tires, they got to put new ones of these on.
Okay.
Because they're no good. Looks like the other one, but it's got a flap. Keep the phone from getting wet. The other one, the other one doesn't have a flap. So this way the phone doesn't go. So it's leather.
There's a lot of fake leather like this.
They're selling it as real, so who knows?
It's really big, hon.
It's no bigger than this one. Apparently they're all the same. It was just motion. Didn't ring. The doorbell rings when it rings. Akin. You guys are staying, right?
Mm-hmm.
They said we'll stay. Oh, we're okay with that. We'll stay.
I love you.
What are we doing? They said as long as you let us play with the cat.
Hon,
You want to stay and play with the cat?
are you gonna miss us, hon?
Stay and play with the cat?
I will miss you. Are you gonna miss us?
Yes, hon.
You're right, you're happy I'm leaving.
Well, I don't know. I'm just freaking crazy, but okay.
What craziness about it, hon?
I know.
This is your kids. I'm gonna leave this over here. You deal with them. Roxy, we are going to see Dimple, Lords, and Habsy Bag. We're going home. We're gonna go. We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna go up.
You gotta go. You gotta take a ride.
She loves you, hon. She doesn't want to
You gotta
leave.
go for the ride. I know, big girl.
She doesn't want to leave. Ah.
I know. It's tough being you.
I don't like the ride.
It's so hard to be you.
They love you, hon. And they love this house. This is where they grew up, guys. This is where the terror happens. you remember when the terror started here? It's like all the table, guys. This table emptied. Every paper's down.
They should knock over everything.
Yeah.
Everything you got your fingers on.
Sicho, the remote control, Tommy shoes, my flip-flops.
Yes. That was you, Rox.
That was Roxy and Misty helping each
My
other.
shoes brand new.
Yeah.
And I don't know, don't leave your flip-flop there, they can shoot them. No, they won't shoot them. They need to buy, they won't shoot them. That lasted about 10 seconds.
When we come back home, it's like ripped. I cannot use it. It's a Islander, guys, from the Philippines. That was a really nice one. A brand new. Okay. I love you. We'll see you. We'll talk to you.
Love you too.
I'm coming here Thursday.
You got everything you want?
Yes, I am.
No.
I'm going to.
No.
You cannot say no to me. Now that I have a car, though, you don't know. You can't control me. You cannot do it to me
Well,
remotely.
You'll be on your own. Because I'll either be going up there or I'll be going to get my tires done. One or two. After the dentist. It depends what I can get done.
Okay, guys, we're leaving.
But I can't keep going like this. I can go,
How much is the tires for 4 tires? You gonna change
$1,000.
everything?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah, they're all leaking.
Bye,
You
guys.
okay for a ride?
Well, we'll see you home, and then I will leave Tommy here, and I will miss this guy.
Yeah, this mess.
Oh, my baby, no. You're so handsome pa rin. You're so handsome. You're still very handsome. Oh, yeah, I found that hair color you do. When you hair color, you brush it, and then turn it. It's just covered up some, make it like pepper and salt kind of thing.
Yeah, we're not doing it.
Why?
We're not doing
I
it.
will maintain it.
You said that last time.
I will promise. I will.
Same promises. I'll feed the birds. I'll do that. Same
The
stuff.
birds, forget. Your birds
I've
of the
had a
honey
million
is empty.
promises.
Your birds of the honey is empty, honey. I saw them, hon. I saw them like.
And you can't. Don't you feel bad for them? You can't give them some food. Really? Is it that hard?
Guys, don't think that you.
Is that hard? The little birds.
I will do it for you. I said, Dada, I promise, Dada.
They need some freaking food. Really?
Okay, honey.
Oh, the poor little thing.
Okay, hon. Quiet. Quiet. Quiet, baby. Bye, hon. I love you, honey.
So you have to put the window up a little bit. It's too low.
Huh?
Although she's okay with it.
Okay, guys. I'm leaving now, and I will see you later. Say bye-bye to Dada.
Hey, monkey.
I know you're happy I'm not here. I love you so much.
What?
I love you so much.
I love you too. I don't know what you can handle on my own.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not snowing or doing anything here, but I don't know.
I will call you, or you can call me, okay?
You
Bye-bye.
hook to the car? You make sure you hook to the car?
Yeah, my thing.
That has nothing to do with the phone. That has to do with you playing music, but it has nothing to do with the phone.
No, it's connected. Okay. Now.
Yeah, but that has nothing to do with the phone. If the phone rings, it's still
I
connected.
love you. Bye.
That's just so you can listen to the radio.
We are here. Gutom na gutom ako. Iwan ko na lang guys. Hoy, little boy, what are you doing, babag? Dito na si Hubs, guys. Naghintay na kung ano yung ibigay ko sa kanya. So, ito yung binili ko sa Asian store. Ito yung galing Costco. Andun sa isang bahay, kinuha ko. Sabi ko, dalhin ko sa bahay natin kasi wala na tayong ano doon. Ito yung binili ko sa Asian store. Malagkit, sweet rice gluten na yung parang pilit ba, puti. Guys, ang mahal ng kopi ko. I never tried this coffee ko. So, binili ko $3. Ito, meron silang malaki. $10. Ang mahal. Ito, na mahalan na ako. $3 daw ito o kopi ko. Ito yung brown coffee. Para bukas ng umaga, isa lang kasi, yung iba kasi doon, ano siya, yung parang sira-sira na ba. So, isa lang yung binili ko. And then, lutuin natin yan bukas umaga. And ito yun, guys. Gusto ko, guys. Ano ito? Spanish rice, guys. Excited ako nito. Of course, sardines. More sardines. 3 lang yung binili ko. And guys, para ano guys, ilagay natin sa freezer. Ito, tanglad. Ito kang Lloyd, sabi niya, bilhin mo yung pinakamalaki. Ito yung pinakamalaki, guys. Ang laki. Ano ito? 6 something. Ito yung sa Akin. Kalamansi. Ano itong sa kanya? Gusto daw niya ito. Itong Nor Liquid Seasoning Original. So, kumuha ko ng Maggi. At saka kumuha ko yung pang seasoning. Pang marinate sa meat. Sa pork. Ganun. Kumuha din ako ng Nor. Maliit na Nor siya. Look, tignan nyo guys. Ang different siya. And, kumuha din ako ng 2 kalamansi na century tuna. 2 lang kasi mahal. At nagdagdag ako. Meron pa ako mga munggo pero nagdag ako. Nagtingin-tingin ako doon guys kung ano yung isda na meron sila. Meron sila mga isda. Ang pangit. At saka yung nakadrugs. Yung ano nila. Isda nila nakadrugs. At gutom ako. Kakain tayo ng isang bread. Ang sarap talaga ng Spanish bread guys. Nakatingin na ito. Gutom to guys. Kasi iniwan ko ba? Meron naman silang pagkain. Pero ito gusto talaga yung fresh food. Hala, gutom yun. Uy! He's hungry, my God. Hala, uy, he's so hungry. Si Misty hindi kumain. Ayaw niya ng bread na yun. Ayaw niya yung Spanish bread. Si Habs kinain. Hala ka diha. Hala, gutom. Gutom itong pusa, guys. I have to marinate this. Tami, binilan ako ni Tami ng salmon, guys. Ito yung binili ko na ano, wala. Dito, guys. Ito, guys, itong klase. At saka bumili ako ng turon. Ilagay ko lang ito sa basement, guys. So now, tapos na akong nagpakain sa 4. So si Bag, grabe. Uy, si Habs ba yung pusa? Grabe, gutom na gutom. Binigyan ko si Misty ng bread. Kinain. Kinuha. Gutom talaga. Luto na naman tayo ng kakainin ko. Rice. Rice for more. Nakakasad oy kapag yung iwan mo yun si Tami. Siya na lang mag-isa doon. Lahat ng galaw ko doon is si Bianan yung naalala ko. And sabi ko sa kanya na kailangan naming dalawin si Bianan sa cemetery. One of this day, kapag off at saka andun ako sa bahay ni Bianan. Gusto ko na talagang makamove na si Tami dito, guys. Uy. Kailan pa kaya? Sinabihan ko siya, wala ka na talagang magawa this time kasi kailangan na talagang ibinta yan. Parang ayaw talaga niya, guys. Uy, iwan ko. Kapag may mga gagawin, maano siya, parang, and then pinaalala ko sa kanya kanina, sabi ko, wala na tayong magawa. Sabi ko, ay, naintindihan naman kita na yung parang mahirap mag-let go ba sa bahay na yan. Nakatira si Tami sa Florida ilang years. Pero bumalik, nung namatay yung ama nila, 1992-91. Bumalik si Tami para samahan yung ina niya, 1990 something, 1991. And din doon, pagkabata ni Tami, nag-stay siya sa Florida for ilang years, mga 10 years ata, or 5 years, ganun. Ayun, di ko alam, basta nag-stay siya doon. Kaya nakabili siya ng kondo kasi may trabaho, ganun. And then, bumalik siya, namatay yung kapatid niya. Nauna yung kapatid niya, umuwi siya. And then, hindi pala siya umuwi dahil namatay yung ama. Yung kapatid niya, nagka-cancer sa buto, sa paa. Yung buto bones. So, kaya siya doon, umuwi talaga siya. And then, tinulungan niya, financially, lahat. Tinulungan niya, kaya si Tami naghirap-hirap sa kalisod. Walang natira, nagkautang-utang yan. Nagkautang-utang. So, yun. And then, pagkatapos yan, ilang buwan, namatay din yung ama niya. So, kaya, sobrang hirap nila noon yung namatay yung kapatid, din ang ama. And then, the same thing na nangyayari ngayon, yung kapatid naman na babae, din ilang buwan. Mga ganong story, yung sa ama nila at sa kapatid na lalaki, ganon yung story. Ngayon sa kapatid nila na babae at saka yung kaina, ganon yung story. Mga ilang buwan lang yung agwat. Yun, ilang buwan lang agwat. Same story lang talaga. May joke nga sila ngayon kasi yung, dahil daw. So ngayon wala na silang parents. So, mabubuhay sila habang buhay. Yun yung joke nila ngayon. Ngayon na wala na daw silang parents. Parang siya ba? Parang pag ganon, pag mamatay yung anak, sumunod yung parents, ganon. So yun yung story. Kaya, nung namatay yung kapatid nila, natakot sila na baka sumunod yung ina. Yun parang prediction na yun, sumunod. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa ama nila, sa kapatid nilang lalaki, and then mga 4 na buwan, 3. So, sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan mo nang mag-let go kasi, I know, mahirap. Sabi ko, mahirap man talaga, guys. Kahit ako, guys, mahirap mag-let go, guys, sa bahay na yun. Kasi doon ako nakatira ng matagal. Broxy. Ang kailangan lang talaga sa asawa ko, kausapin. And then, yun ko, kapag magagalit na yan, na bakit ginagalaw, bakit tinatapon, ay huwag kang na-realize ko na huwag kang maggalit-galitan din dahil ang tigas ng ulo talaga ng asawa ko. So, huwag kang magalit-galitan din, ganun-ganun. Usapin mo na lang. Kailangan natin gawin para makaano na tayo, kasi ilang buwan na lang, wala ng pera doon. So, maintindihan naman niya. Sabihin, I know naman. Sabi, hindi naman yun bubo yung asawa ko. Pero kailangan talagang iparealize na ganun, mga pangyayari ngayon. Magmarinate lang ako ng, salmon, guys. Salmon, good. Dilata na salmon. Tinapa. Anyway. Ang dami pa, ang laki pa. So, meron tayong ulam. Ito yung mga dinala ko, guys. Ito yung kailangang hugasang kutsilyo. Mga, ano to, sobrang magandang knife ni Tami. Hugasan ko lang kasi matagal na itong hindi nagamit sa isang bahay. Mga steak knife, mga, ito din, steak knife. And ito din, kay Bianan, paborito ko to. Ito yung palagi namin ginagamit noon nung kami ni Bianan doon. Palagi ko itong ginagamit. Ito, dalawa to. Hindi ko dinala ng isa para sa sister-in-law ko. Mga nakaraang gamit. Maganda naman siya. Ito, ilagay ko to doon sa kitchen. Lagyan natin ng flour. Speed up tayo paghugas ha. Speedy. Yay! Done, guys! Binibake ko siya. Nilagay ko siya sa oven. And then, after baking, dito, binibake. After bake, broil. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Binobroil ko siya in the end para mag-brown siya. And then, meron siyang oil kasi nilagyan ko siya ng oil para parang mag-fry siya. Ano pa ba? Ba't ang kati ng kamay ko? Dito, ang kati. Iwan ko ano to. Hindi naman ako nag-garden, nagka-poison ivy. Feels like nagka-poison ivy ako. So, nalubat yung cellphone, yung ano ko, yung laptop ko, sina-charge ko muna. Ang dami kong ano guys, ang dami kong gawain. Mag-ano pa ako, gawa ng thumbnail. Iin natin itong vlog kasi 8 o'clock na. Gusto ko nang maghiga, gusto ko nang matulog. Maaga yung ano natin bukas, video. Every 6 o'clock in the morning. Sa Pinas is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 doon sa Pinas. And anyway guys, salamat guys sa panonood ng mga videos ko. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys sa mga susunod na vlog. But I will see you tomorrow. Meron tayong vlog tomorrow, okay? Bye guys! Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye! Good night!